Namaskar, I am your host Nishi Gupta and I take this opportunity to welcome you all on today's virtual tour of Electrical Engineering Department of RCTI. Dedicated faculty members with an average teaching experience of more than 16 years. We have 10 well-equipped laboratories, 9 classrooms, 1 departmental library and a multimedia room for ICT-enabled learning. The department has developed strong industry linkages through industrial visits and expert lectures by industrialists and eminent academicians. We take pride to say that we have established MOUs with 5 industries.
Good morning. My name is Alpesh M. Patel, Head of Electrical Engineering Department, RC Technical Institute. To start with, many initiatives are taken by department to accomplish the vision of our department. Let me apprise you some of initiatives. Industrial visit and 22 expert lectures have been conducted in the last 3 years. In addition to that, our 170 students have undergone industrial training. Our students are also encouraged to participate in co-curricular, extracurricular and other student-centric activities organized at department, institute, inter-college and state level for their holistic development.
Now, I take you to virtual tour of all our laboratories. Our laboratories have been upgraded to keep in pace with all the technological advancements in the field of electrical engineering. Our students perform experiments in psychomotor domain as well as in affective domain to enhance their competency. We have industry supported lab, 1 dedicated project lab and well-equipped labs for all the other courses. See the solar panels and solar water heater model which has been sponsored by PowerTech Solar Projects Limited. The next equipment which is sponsored by PowerTech Industries Limited is lightning arresters and earthing electrodes. We are using this for demonstration. Another equipment is AC drive for 3-phase induction motor and it has been sponsored by Hayes Automation Ahmedabad.
Myself Krishna Patel, currently pursuing my PhD in Electrical Engineering Department from GTU on the topic of performance investigation and protection of grid-connected wind energy system. In this switchgear and protection laboratory, this laboratory has been established with the support of JETCO and Active Power Private Limited Ahmedabad. Equipment received from the industries are the following. First equipment is a electromagnetic induction relay. Another one, electromagnetic earth fault relay. These are the individual sample that have provided for the student performance. So as of now, performing numerical relay. Now another equipment is a static overcurrent relay and static earth fault relay. So these are the individual static overcurrent and the earth fault relay that is provided for the student performance practical session. And another is a Buchholz relay.
Electrical Engineering Department. I am Hemant Joshi. I am working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department in this institute. We have established dedicated project laboratory to gain various types of benefits for final year student. This entire laboratory is divided into 3 sections. This one is project display area. When junior students visit this laboratory, they get motivated through it. This one is project testing area. Here final year students test their project during making it, and here student load the program into the microcontroller. So for that PC and software is provided to the final year students. This is separate section is provided for the 3-phase supply based projects. So here 3-phase supply based projects are tested as well as identified. This is robotic vehicle for isolation ward. This is very much useful in current pandemic situation, and students have designed this to save doctors as well as other medical staff from the COVID-19 infection. This is smart helmet. This is smart irrigation system. It saves groundwater as well as electricity, and farmer can know the status of this system from anywhere in the world using his smartphone. This is ultraviolet based smart sanitization box. We can sanitize any kind of thing like vegetable, fruits, electronic gadgets, etc. And it is capable to sanitize it within 1 or 2 minutes, and for that purpose timer is provided. This is gas leakage detector using Arduino. This is smart car parking system. This is fault detection of transmission line system. This is smart dustbin, and that one is GSM based motor control system. This is smart wheelchair, and a helping person can control this using its smartphone. This is GPS based medical drone. This is smart street light system. This is contactless hand sanitizer machine. This is automatic solar panel cleaning system, and using this system we can improve the efficiency of rooftop plant. This is dual axis solar tracker with weather sensor. This is vertical axis wind turbine, and it is used on electrical vehicle based project. Encourage the student and make them enable to design future generation electrical vehicles as well as charging stations, and by this way keep them in the pace with the future technology. In our department, our students have designed different types of electrical vehicles. This is solar cycle. It receives power from solar panel as well as AC power socket, and due to solar panel its range per single charge increases. This is simple electric bicycle, and its range is 60 km per single charge. This is electric bike. Any kind of old petrol engine vehicle can be converted using this type of e-kit, and it runs around 100 km per single charge. This is regenerative braking based electric cycle, and due to regenerative braking system it receives power when we apply the brake. So kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy, and it is stored into the battery. So its range per single charge increases. This is e-rickshaw. It runs around 100 km per single charge.
I am Sejal Patel, faculty with Electrical Engineering Department. Welcome to the DC Machine Lab. On very first day, students are instructed to follow this general instruction which is displayed in lab, and they have to follow the safety rules. These are the different parts of DC machine so that students can understand the construction of the DC. The main attraction of this lab is all the machines are very old. They are purchased in 1940 and still they are working in very good condition and with a high efficiency. This panel is for DC compound motor and DC shunt generator. This panel is for DC shunt motor and DC shunt generator. On this panel, students will perform different tests on DC motor. Here we perform DC compound generator output characteristic. Panel DC series generator characteristic will be performed by the...
I, Tushar Patel, faculty in Electrical Engineering Department. Here it is electrical machine trainer. There are various experiments can be set up on this electrical machine trainer. Now we will perform the experiment magnetizing characteristics of DC separately excited. These are the various meters which are used in this laboratory. Here it is our AC machine lab. These are the various parts of squirrel cage induction motor, and these are the various parts of single page alternator, so the student can easily understand the construction of AC machine. Here it is the distribution transformer, which is sponsored by Chintamani Lamination Mehsana. So the students can understand the various accessories of three-phase transformer inside this laboratory. It is the panel for automatic star delta starter for 3-phase induction motor. V-curve and inverted V-curve of synchronous motor experiment practical is conducted on this panel. Parallel operation of 2 single-phase transformer experiment is performed on this panel. Load test on 3-phase induction motor is conducted here. Parallel operation of 3-phase transformer experiment is conducted on this panel. Speed control of 3-phase slip ring induction motor using rotor resistance starter experiment is conducted on. This is the panel for troubleshooting of single-phase induction motor. This is the set from where DC supply for whole the lab is supplied. Here it is 3-phase slip ring induction motor. These are the 2 DC generator sets.
Welcome to electronics lab. This particular lab we have facility to perform various experiments of the course electronic circuits and components, digital electronics and digital instrumentation and power electronics as per the scheme of the GTU. By using this facility we can able to develop the psychomotor as well as the affective domain skills in student, which can be used for the betterment of their future to develop the hand-on skill practices.
Welcome to Computer Laboratory of Electrical Engineering Department. Myself Satish Patel, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department. Let me tell you what us students want that we all have in this laboratory. This laboratory is used for various courses like BCIT, CAD, project, etc. All systems are connected with LAN and students have access for internet. We have various softwares like AutoCAD, PSIMS, Workbench, etc. In AutoCAD, students draw various electrical and electronics drawing circuits. In PSIM and Workbench, they are used for simulations of different electrical as well as
Myself, Y.M. Holia, working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, RC Technical Institute. I am the course in charge of microprocessor and controller application. In this particular course, student used to perform 13 different practicals as suggested by GTU. This setup is for speed regulation of DC motor and tacho generators. In this, the feedback is given to this particular motor and the speed of this particular DC motor is kept constant. Another setup is for the stepper motor. We were given the supply in 2 steps to this particular stepper motor, and stepper motor will rotate either in clockwise direction or counterclockwise direction. There is also a provision for manual pulse given to this motor. Student used to perform the AC position control, that is voltage stabilizer setup is there. Generally disturbance is from supply side or from load side. In both the way the output voltage is kept constant with this particular stabilizer. Student used to learn this thing. Another setup is for synchro transmitter and receiver kit, which is also known as electromechanical transducer. In this particular setup, the rotor angular position is converted into electrical signal and it is transmitted over long distances, and then once again it is converted into the mechanical position. So this is called an electromechanical transducer. This is a 8051 Kitec type controller kit. In this 7-segment display used to interface, student used to interface 7-segment display with the program. This is 8085 interfacing kit, traffic light controller kit, 2 modules available, switches and LEDs were there, and temperature controller. These were the application of the 8085. Means 8255 we used to interface this particular 3 set of kits with 8085 through 8255 programmable peripheral interface.
Myself Nayan Pandya. I am lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department at RC Technical Institute. Now we will see the overview of the electrical instrumentation lab. This is slide wire potentiometers. These are standard resistance, voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer and rheostat. The slide wire potentiometer is used for the measurement of unknown EMF of the battery. These are also used for other two experiments in which are calibration of ammeter using potentiometer and calibration of voltmeter using potentiometer. This is the set for the experiment of calibration of energy meter, single phase variac, voltmeter, ammeter and load beam. The LVDT stands for linear variable differential transformer. It is a transducer which converts electrical displacement into an electrical.
I am Alpa Amin, faculty with Electrical Engineering Department. Welcome to Circuits Laboratory of our department. This laboratory is utilized to perform all the practicals of two courses, AC circuit course and DC circuit course as per syllabus of GTU. And the aim of performing all the practicals is to attain the course outcomes in psychomotor domain and affective domain. These are the general instructions that are to be followed while performing all the practicals in circuit laboratory. This banner depicts the generation of single phase and three phase AC voltage with corresponding waveforms. To start with AC circuit course, this is an experimental setup to measure various parameters in RLC series circuit. This experiment aims to use of CRO for measuring peak value, RMS value, time period and frequency of an alternating quantity. The output of function generator is given to CRO and here is our sine wave, so we can measure the parameters of an alternating quantity.
Myself JP Patel, course in charge of DC circuit. In this lab, we determine the resistance, current, voltage and power in series, parallel and combination circuit by using the Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law and various network theorems. This is the kit for verification of laws and network theorems in DC circuit. These are the additional kits for verification of different laws and theorems. This is the kit for measurement of temperature, coefficient of resistance. These are the various ammeters, voltmeters and wattmeters used in electrical circuit lab.
Welcome to Electrical Workshop Laboratory. Here we are performing practicals of electrical workshop, installation, commissioning and maintenance, electrical wiring and electrification of building and complex. Please come. This is first practical setup of multiple wiring board. This is demo version of electrical earthing system. This is single phase variac which is used for the performance of practicals of electrical workshop. This is practical setup of troubleshooting of fluorescent tube. This is toolbox which having all the requirement of tools which is used in wiring as well as workshop. This is the chart of artificial respiration method which include all the three methods in case of electrical hazards. This is different types of electric cables. The displayed all the 14 types of cable with its name and specification. This is a chart of fire extinguisher which is used in case of electric fire. This is the samples of various electric wiring accessories. This is practical setup of master on-off control in which we can control multiple bulb by single switch as well as individual switch. This is the practical setup of corridor wiring. This is practical setup of troubleshooting of ceiling fan in which we perform practicals for the impedance of capacitor to run single phase induction motor. This is Megger which is used for the measurement of insulation resistance of different electrical equipments. This is Growler which is used to test short circuit between two consecutive coils of armature of any electrical machine, at the same time two consecutive commutator segment. This is oil testing kit which is sponsored by industry and it is used for the measurement of breakdown voltage of insulating oil which is used in different electrical apparatus. This is digital earth resistance tester which is used for the measurement of earthing resistance. The skill of students.
To summarize with, I would like to say that there is a continuous improvement in terms of infrastructure facility, lab facilities and teaching learning process, and this has enabled us to achieve our vision.